Gradient of the stream that drops 10 foot over a horizontal distance of 10 miles is, well, it's rise over run, just like in geometry. How much is it dropping down versus how far has it gone to make that drop? All right, it's just like in algebra, I said, not geometry. Right up here in the headlands, let's try to give these fairly equal dropping points. 3, 4, 5. We'll say these are in 10 feet or so. And of course, down here in the bottom, let's just draw this all the way across. We had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 feet. Well, let's call these miles. Let's say this is 1 mile, 2 mile, 3 miles, etc. These are in feet. So from the top up here, down here, it's dropped 10 feet over 1 mile roughly. So the gradient at that point will be 10 feet per mile. However, down here where it gently slopes off, it's only dropping, let's say from this point to that point, and there to there. It's only dropping maybe half that, just like 5 feet. And that's roughly, it's a little bit outside of a mile, but about 5 feet per mile. So it's rise over run. How much is it dropping down versus how far has it gone between the drops? So again, up here to here, it's gone down 10 feet, and it's about a mile. They're not exact. But then down here, to go from this point to this point, again, it's about, it's going from there to there roughly. It's about 5 feet instead of 10. And it's also gone from the 3, it's about 3.5 actually. So it'd be about 5 feet per 3.5, or 5 feet per 1.5 miles. You would just do the math. But up here, it's kind of simple. It's 10 feet drop over 10 miles. Well, that's 10 feet per 10 miles. And you can reduce these down where it's 1 foot per mile. All right, it's 1 foot per mile. And so the first mile drops down 1 foot, the second mile drops down 1 foot, the third mile drops down 1 foot, and then when you've gone 10 miles, you'll have dropped down 10 feet. So a gradient is just how much it's dropped down.